How to find book reviews. Go to the library homepage and type in the name of the book that you want to find a review for. Remember to put the title of the book in quotation marks. When you finish, hit enter or click on the magnifying glass. On the left-hand side of the screen, go to Resource Type and click on the box next to Reviews. Also, select the box next to Peer-Reviewed Articles. After you have selected all of your limits, click on the Apply Filters button. When the list of reviews comes up, select the review that you want to look at. On the next screen, select the database that you want to go to see the article. In this case, we have three options. Any of them will take you to the article. Why are there three options? Each of these databases indexes the journal, the American Historical Review. Therefore, if you click on any of the choices, you will get to that journal, which is a journal that has the review that you are interested in. If you have any questions, please feel free to come to the Research Assistance Desk. If you can't come to the desk, you can email us at reference@campbell.edu. You can phone us at 910-893-1467, or you can chat with us by clicking on the Ask a Librarian icon.